Yo, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Devin Baptiste here, Black Diamond FX in the building. All right. And I just want to show y'all this trade that I took last night. I even shared it on Facebook. And I want to show y'all, I lost this trade, right? And I want to show you guys why I lost it. Now, one of the keys to becoming a great trader is to be able to go back when you lose a trade and see why you lost it and understand why. And even if you win a trade, go back and review it. Make sure it follow all your rules and everything. But especially if you lost a trade, go back, look over it, and correct what you done wrong next time. Follow your rules, stick to your rules. If it don't follow your rules, okay, write it down, take notes of it. So next time you won't make that mistake again, that same mistake. All right. So check out what happened. First of all, excuse my voice. I'm a little bit under the weather right now. All right. So, I might do a little coughing or whatever. But check this out. Okay. So AUDUSD, normally 4 hour. That's where I look for my setups. And that's what I did. I found my liquidity. I look at my market structure. We're making lower lows and lower highs. Liquidity was created here. Okay. Good. I found my zone of over here. Actually, I found this zone. It was here from here to there, because you see we got inefficiency right here. So I marked this out as my zone, this area. Actually, I had this whole area at first. Let me see. I might have even looked at the daily chart. Yep. I found it initially on the daily chart right here. I saw all this liquidity. I'm like, man, this looks yummy. All right. But check this out. Number one, first and foremost, all right, I marked it up. And then once I mark it up, I start going down to the lower time frames, okay? Because I don't enter off the high time frames, I enter off the lower time frames. And I started looking, waiting for price to come back into my zone, waited. And then finally over here, it came back in, but I didn't get in just yet because I didn't get my confirmation. Now, my first confirmation is a change of character, okay? But I didn't get that. It didn't break. This was my low. Once it tapped into the zone, this was my low right here. This was 15 minutes. I didn't get it. So it came up. So I said to myself, maybe I should go to a lower time frame. All right. So that's what I did. I went to the 5 minute. All right. I had still, I was following my rules good. Went to the lower time frame, created a new high right here, right? And then look, I looked at this as my change of character, which, yeah, it is. It is. But the time frame is the problem with this was the time frame was just way too small. And this not even a full, it's a pullback on a real small time frame, but in the grand scheme, this ain't nothing. This is minor. This is very minor structure. However, when I looked at it through the eyes of a man like, oh man, I'm confident, a confident man, So I took the trade. I took it. All right. I saw my change of character, number one. Number two, I saw my inefficiency here. Number three, I saw my zone. All right. Then I just waited. I got this pretty wick right here. I'm like, oh my God, this is it right here. All right. Then it came down, went up a little bit, gave me that wick. I said, oh, now we about to do it. Started coming down and I got excited. I'm like, man, posted it on Facebook. Oh, this is it. We going, we about to do it. And then look what happened. Almost as soon as I posted it on Facebook, look what happened. Came up. And then I started trying to find other areas where it might reverse from. And then once it broke out here, that's when I got out. It hit my stop loss because my stop loss was up here. Did I put it up here? No. My stop loss is much tighter. That's a big almost 40 pip stop loss. No, my stop loss, I think once it got over here, I got out somewhere. I forgot where I got out at exactly, but I got out, right? But number one, I didn't follow my plan, because the 5 minute time frame, this is just noise right here. This is just noise. The 5 minute, that's just noise. And then look what happened. Look where it's at right now, way up there, way up there. So thank God for stop loss, right? And number two, I was up all night studying fundamentals. I was up all night studying fundamentals. I was tired when I took this trade. And that's a big thing. If you're tired, do not take a trade because you're going to see things that's not there. And that's what happened with me. I saw this. And of course, if we go back to the 4 hour, look what we have. We have change of character, right? Because look, this was a high right here. Wait, this was actually our lowest low, okay? It broke right here. It broke right here, right? It actually changed character here. And then look, all of these lows, all of these demand zones down here were being respected. These demand zones were being respected. Look, see how it wicked down into this right here? See, we got this zone here with this inefficiency. Look, it wicked it. Look, we got this area of consolidation here. Look how it wicked it and shot up. Now, although it broke here, all it did was create liquidity to come back down and tap into this zone right here. But when you're tired, you don't see none of that. But I just wanted to show y'all, man, y'all have to be able to go back and correct yourselves. Go back and find out what you did wrong and correct it. And that's what I did wrong. And that's how I lost AUDUSD. All right. That's how you become a great trader. Great traders lose as well. You don't have to be, just because you lose a trade or you lose, you know what I'm saying? Like, you're not going to win every single trade. Don't let anybody talk you into believing that, oh man, you're gonna win every single. No, that's just not gonna happen. You will make mistakes. The market gonna do. Sometimes your analysis will be spot on. I mean, flawless. And guess what? You're gonna lose a trade. That happens. But man, check it out. If y'all want to learn this and learn even more, get at me. Black Diamond FX at Yahoo. Send me an email, drop me a DM, comment something. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Holler at your boy later. Deuces, man. I'm out.